Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to run Flux on Replicate. As you can see, this is replicate.com before you get to sign in. After logging in, you will find yourself here. Of course, on the right side you will have recently viewed models. However, if you don't have any because it's the first time, maybe you can go over to the top where you can search for Flux Dev. As you can see, Black Forest Labs Flux Dev with 2.4 million runs, and we're going to select it. And then right here, you can see an example of its production. Here on the left, you can see the prompt which has been used to produce this. We're going to be going with a simple prompt, and our prompt simply has a blue zebra on a moon. We have the aspect ratio, the prompt strength, the number of inputs. So for example, we can decide to have 2, and this determines the number of outputs to generate. You also have the guidance number and the number of inference. We're not going to be going over the details. All we want to do is to create an image, and you can go ahead and try the other settings for yourself. You have the output quality at 80, we can leave it at that. And here you have the checkbox Go Fast. Now this simply means you're going to be having the model to work faster. On the downside, you might lose on the quality. However, we will be going with Go Fast, and then we're going to click on Run. And here we have the output of a blue zebra on a moon. We could try again by saying a zebra with blue stripes and see the difference. And right here, we've made an edit to our prompt. We have a zebra with blue and white stripes on a moon. Let's go down and select Run. Now this doesn't replace the black stripe with blue in particular, but you have a zebra with the moon in the background. So as I mentioned earlier, you can go ahead and try it yourself to create more realistic images. Now for some models, you might need to log in with your GitHub and set up billing method. If you're having any issues like this, it means you need to log in with your GitHub and set up payment method. The payment to image ratio is pretty cost effective, and with what we have here as the output, you can give it a go to see if it fits your style. Now of course, we asked for 2 variations. This is the first and this is the second. You have the second sitting more like on the moon, closer to our description than this. This is sitting on a mountain top, and this looks more like a zebra on a moon. You can see the time it was generated in, and when you give it a try yourself, you can be more descriptive with the prompt. So this is how to run Flux AI on Replicate.